heard the bells on Christmas Day, their old familiars chorus play, and wild and sweet the words repeat of peace on earth, goodwill to men. I thought, how has the day has come, the belfries of all Christendom had rolled along through broken song of peace on earth, goodwill to men. And in despair I bowed my head. There is no peace on earth, I said, for it is strong and mocks the song of peace on earth, goodwill to then pealed the bells more loud and clear. God is not dead, not doth he sleep. The wrong shall fill, the right prevail, with peace on earth, goodwill to men. Then ringing, singing on its way, the world revolved from night to day. A voice, a chime, a chant sublime of peace on earth,